So now you know how to identify the terms. Now we are going to identify the numerical coefficient. Before that, what is called coefficient? So coefficient means here the definition also you should know here. Okay. It will be the number along with the what? The variable. Okay. So that is called a coefficient. So we are going to identify the coefficient. So please write it down. The numerical factor is said to be the numerical coefficient or simply the coefficient of the term. It is also said to be the coefficient of the rest of the term as well. So if they are telling like coefficient, okay, that means the number along with the term. For example, 5xy is our term. Okay, so what will be the coefficient? If I am asking just coefficient of 5xy, then what will be my answer? 5. Instead, even though I didn't specify as numerical coefficient, I need to write the coefficient of 5xy. If it is asking, it is called 5. Clear?
Yes.
If the question is coefficient of minus 5xy, what will be the answer? Since we have a negative also along with it, answer will be negative 5. Okay. Now, if the coefficient of x, okay, coefficient of x in 5xy, the term is 5xy. I want to find the coefficient of x, not the full term. Only I need to find the coefficient of x. So if the question comes like that, okay, other than x, everything you need to write. That means what? 5y. So coefficient of x in 5 of xy is 5y. Clear? So this is
Yes.
the coefficient. Okay, write it down. Okay, so just we will take some examples and do. Okay, next first question is 3.14 r square. Identify the numerical coefficient. So what is the answer? Tell.
3.40.
3.14. After the decimal, any numbers, you need to tell the number only. 14, like that only you should tell. Okay, next. 0.1y plus 0.01y square.
0.1.
So in this question, you need to tell each term. Okay, so 0.1, y, the coefficient is 0.1. And 0.01 y squared, the coefficient will be 0.01. Okay, like clear? Then
Yeah.
2 bracket L plus B. Here we have two terms actually. 2L is one term, 2B is one term. Coefficient of 2L, 2. Coefficient of 2B, 2. Okay, multiplying the number. Okay. So this much understood. Now, next, if the question is y squared, identify the term which contain x and give the coefficient of x, not the near term. So y squared x plus y. Here we have two terms actually. So identify the term which contain x means y squared x. We need to take only y squared x. What is the coefficient?
Y2. Y squared.
Y squared. Very good. Next, if the question is 13y squared minus 8yx. Identify the term which contain x.
Negative 8yx.
Very good. What is the coefficient?
Negative y. Negative 8y.
Very good. Negative 8y. Okay. So now 12xy squared plus 25.
12xy squared.
Yes. Coefficient?
12y squared.
Very good. Now x plus y plus 2. X plus Y plus 2. Term.
X.
X. Coefficient.
Y plus 2.
No. This is addition, na? X plus Y plus 2 means X is one term, Y is one term, 2 is one term. So the
Yes.
term which contain X is X only. Coefficient is, if there is no number, what I told, 1 will be the coefficient. 1 into X is the meaning, na? So 1 will be the coefficient. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Write it down.
Okay.
We are going to group monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Okay. So if you have only one term in the expression, for example, minus 5xy, only one term. So it is a monomial, 3x squared monomial. So these all have only one term, right? We know what is term now. One term means monomial. This everything comes under polynomial only, and generally we call it as polynomial also. Then binomial means we have two terms, x plus 2xy, two terms. X is one term, 2xy is another term. So binomial. Then x plus 3x plus 1 by 4. Three terms I have. So it is trinomial. Understood what is monomial, binomial, and trinomial?
Yes.
Okay. So you have this set of question. Okay. Write like this: monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Polynomial means you can take like other than monomial, binomial, trinomial, whatever is coming that have more than three terms, write it under polynomial. Clear? So
Okay.
complete, so this one group it. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
I will show you, then you can take a screenshot. So monomial means which has one term, binomial, two terms, trinomial, three terms, like that. You please write it down.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So here, what is the one thing is like next we are going to study like terms, unlike terms. Okay. So like terms means the terms, now you know what is term. So if it is 5x, a term, 4x, another term. So if we have 5x and here 4x, both of them have variable x. That means they are like term. Okay. Minus 4 xy and minus 2 by 3 xy. This is like term because both of them have the variable xy. Okay. If it is 2 by 4 yx and 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 xy, are they like terms?
No, it's unlike.
No, they are like terms because yx and xy are same only. Okay. Y into x, and because it is commutative, na? Y into x and x into y are same. So it is like term only. Okay. Then we have 4x squared y. Okay. And minus 3x square y. They are like terms because both of them have variable x squared y, x squared y. So it is like term. Clear? So how to identify like term is very important. Now, so what can be unlike terms? Let's see, which don't have same variable. For example, 5x and 4y, unlike term. Minus 5x and minus 5y. Okay. Or I am writing 5yx, then it is unlike only. Then, see, the number is same, still it is unlike. Why? Because the variable are different. Okay. And if it is 25 by 3, x, y, z, and 5 by 3, y, z. I have here also y is it, here also y is it, but it is unlike term. Why? Because this x is not present here. No? So that's why it is unlike term. Clear? What are unlike? What are like?
Yes.
Okay. So we can now stop the class.